over myself. But if you want somebody with a little body, if you're looking for somebody with that energy, looking for somebody with a little body, swing my way, swing my way. If you
So we're gonna just jump straight into this video today. After I've cleaned up my brows, I'm going into my paint pot from MAC in the color in the shade Soft Orchid, and I'm just packing it onto my lid and blending it out so that acts as the base for the eyeshadows I am about to put on my lids. So once everything is blended out, I am going to go into my James Charles palette and take that blue shade and pack it onto my crease and use swiping motion to blend out the eyeshadow. Transition color, I'm taking the green shade in the 35M Planet, and I am blending out the edges of the blue eyeshadow as well as packing it on and then adding more blue so it's as pigmented as I want it to be. And just swipe, 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 add until you feel is necessary. So now that the two shadows are blended to my desire, I'm taking my still water and a Q-tip and I'm cleaning off my lid. So when I lay the concealer, it has a blank canvas and nothing transfers. I'm going in with the blue shade and pack it on to the edge of the wing because it's a half cut crease, not a full cut crease. So now I'm taking my concealer from Revolutions in the shade C1 and I'm just outlining my crease and packing the concealer on so I can so there's some place for the glitters to stick onto. And into my 35i palette, I'm taking that green shadow and that's going to be the first color of my glitter cut crease. And then I'm going back into the James Charles palette and taking that shimmery blue shade and then packing that on next. So last shade I'm using is the color Congo from the Juvia's Place palette, and that is going to be the last shimmer I use for this eye look. Now that all the edges are blended and everything looks a little put together, I'm going to just pop on my lash and apply some mascara. Now time for the face. I'm going to take this Versed moisturizer from Target and my Faced-Hangover hydrated primer and apply it to the skin. And once that's done, I am going to set my primer with my Fenty Pro Filt'r in the shade Cashew. For foundation, I'm going to take this Born This Way concealer in the shade that will be listed down below and apply it onto all of my dark spots and blend that out before applying my foundation. Unfortunately, I have a lot of dark spots because I burned myself with hot combs like a mumu. Now to hide all of my blemishes and finesse, I am taking my foundation in the shade Macao. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know if that's the correct pronunciation, but that's what I'm gonna call it. And pump everything onto my face and then take my foundation brush from Morphe and just blend it out using dabbing and swiping motions, and then blend it out further with a beauty blender or a beauty sponge, whichever one, because I know it ain't the real thing, but you get what I see. I'm a full coverage girl, so I had to add a little bit more because I don't like to see the brown peeking through. And then I'm gonna just blend it, and then we're gonna move on to the next step. Everything is blended. I'm going to highlight my face with my Born This Way concealer and my Urban Decay concealer. Shades will be listed down below, but I am going to take it and put it on all the high points where I want to highlight: forehead, bridge of the nose, under eyes, cupid's bow, and chin. And then I'm gonna go in with the darker concealer and just put in between and take a Real Techniques concealer brush, I think that's what you call, and blend everything out. But my trick, what I like to do, because I feel like it is what and it blends everything out, is spray the brush with Mario Badescu or setting spray or Fix Plus, and then go in and blend everything together. Once everything is blended, I go in with my foundation brush and blend out the edges, make sure there are no harsh lines, and then I go in with my contour. I don't know what has gotten into me lately, but for some reason I've gotten into this thing with cream contouring. You can't tell the difference, or you can't see a major difference, but I'ma get there. Well, I'm just contouring my cheekbones and my forehead, trying a thing. Now going back into my Fenty Pro Filt'r, I am going to take it and set all the places that I highlight and press it into the skin. It don't bake. So we're going to just press it, press it, press it. Guys, we're almost there. So now I'm taking my Morphe bronzer, the politically correct term for it, and I am setting all the places I applied my contour and making sure that it's blended out. Setting part 1, MAC Fix Plus, and pressing it in with we're pressing it in with a brush. So we're gonna just press it, press it, press it, make sure it goes nowhere. And look who decided to contour their nose like it was supposed to make a difference. It kinda did, but it really didn't. But yeah, you don't have to do this stuff if you don't want to, but I did. So to set the rest of my face, I took my Urban Decay foundation powder in the shade Warm. White is to the top of my head, but it will be listed down below. All the products will be listed down below, and I just set my whole entire face. The hair kind of looking cute, but if you want to see how I applied this wig, just clip the eye to the top and watch that video. I did the under eye off camera because it was out of frame, but I took the 2 shades I used for the crease and I just blended it together on my waterline. For blush, I'm going into my Juvia's Place palette and taking that shade Tahu, whatever you call it, and applying it to my cheeks, giving my face a little color, you know. For highlight, I'm taking the 2 darkest shades. I'm going to highlight the key points of my face. We're gonna take my current nude combo and apply it to the lips like that, yeah. But we're gonna line the lips with NYX Espresso lip liner and then go in with the e.l.f. liquid matte lipstick in the shade Coffee and rub it in. For the final step, I'm going in and setting my face with the e.l.f. Luminous Setting Spray. I think that's what it's called, but yes, that's what I'm gonna do now, and we done, we Gucci. I hope I enjoyed this video. It was super fun filming it. We do a good job today, okay? We did a good job. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Hit that notification bell as well so it notifies you whenever I upload a new video, and give this video a thumbs up. And oh yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at Niazine. All the products will be listed down below, and I will see you in another video.
Somebody with a little body. If you're looking for somebody with that energy, looking for somebody with a little body, swing my way.